Alright, what's up YouTube? I go by Byshaad, as y'all should know by now. Welcome to my channel Byshaad, and today I got another custom sneaker video for you guys today. I will be giving y'all a tutorial on the cheapest way to go to some designer custom Air Force Ones, all white, it could be all black, it could be whatever. You can do it on Vans, Jordans, Adidas. I will be using a decal called Sneakles. It's a company. I will leave the link down below. But make sure y'all like this video, comment on what you think about this custom, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into this video. I'm gonna make it as fast as possible. So this is the Burberry custom Air Force One Nike swoosh that we will get to today. And no, this is not a real decal or a real leather or cloth material from Burberry, but it will save money for your pockets because those type of customs can cost you anywhere between $250 plus. And if you do it yourself and you just want it for yourself and you don't have your own business, you already know how much Burberry costs to get a book bag or a tote or some type of material that you can use to put on your swoosh. So here you go. Give you a nice little close-up. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into what you need for this custom, and we're gonna get started so we can get this out the way. So you will need some type of heat gun, blow dryer. This comes with your sneakle, your decal. These are, I have them cut up already the size to the Nike swoosh, but it will be a sheet, pretty big sheet. You can also place it anywhere on the shoe or clothing or hats. I would do more videos on those, different materials you can put it on, but you would need this little flatten piece tool, and lastly you will need an X-Acto knife, preferably an X-Acto knife. The way I'm going to show y'all is the fastest way you can do it, but the way that they give on their in their paper that they give you instructions for, it will come like this. These are some different designs I have, but Sneakles, sneaker and decal, and then all the shoes you can do it on, and they will give you instructions in the booklet, and the stuff will come a pin and then this little flatten tool. They have Louis Vuitton, Fendi, Chrome Heart. These are some other designs I'm going to try eventually. Chrome Heart and Louis Vuitton custom pattern. But that's the size sheet that will come with. So that's how big the sheet was for my Burberry. And they also give you instructions for hat brims. Hopefully y'all can see this good. So you can follow their instructions, but it's a little time consuming. So I'm going to show y'all the way I do it to save time and to get your shoe done. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright, so let's go ahead and get to work. Excuse my desk, do a lot of customs. It's a little messy, but this is what we're trying to get to. We are trying to get to this custom from this factory shoe. So you will cut your decals out to fit your swoosh and give you some extra room, and you will want to take the backing off. Sticky side, you want to place the decal on the swoosh. You have some room. I have some room under here to the end of the swoosh, and then at the top of the check I want to give it a little bit more room, so I'm going to bring it up some. Hopefully y'all heard me. I'm going to give it a little more room, so I'm going to bring it up some because I'm going to cut it with my X-Acto knife. You want to make sure no bubbles in here, kind of like a screen for your screen protector. And then you're going to put heat on there for about 10 seconds, not too close or you will burn it. So I'm going to place heat. And when you place heat, you will start to see it stick, and you want to go where no bubbles are and then work your way on the swoosh or wherever you are placing this. And then after that, you want to take your fingernail and go under the swoosh, and the outline of the swoosh, go all around the outline. And then that crack. And then you're going to want to take this black plastic piece with the flat tip, and you want to press to try to tuck it in there some more, and then you will do some heat on there for about a couple seconds, and then after that you will cut it with the X-Acto knife, but you won't want to cut up, not cut down towards the shoe. You will want to cut up. And after you go over the outline with this flat piece, place a little bit more heat so it'll stick. And then, like I said, you'll go with the X-Acto knife. So we're going to go with the X-Acto knife, and like I said, that you're going to cut upward and not down towards the shoe to ruin the shoe. And when you cut upward, you don't need that much. So from like right there, that's how far. You don't want to go all the way in the shoe with the whole length of the X-Acto knife, because you will take out the stitching, and you don't want that. So we're going to place a little more heat and tuck a little bit more so it can kind of tuck in here, unless you don't care about that. But I will try to get this to look as neat as possible. So it should tuck fairly easy now. Alright, and the trick with the X-Acto knife, you're gonna have to go over where you cut. So see if I can get it to focus. I already cut some, but it's not fully cut yet. I'm gonna go over it again to make sure I didn't miss nothing. And then I will re-go over it so I can see the white underneath. And if when you start cutting and it starts to like bulge up in one area, go the opposite way. So if it bulged up there and it was starting to rip, I will cut upward rather than downward. And I'm going to cut right here. And take your time with this. You will get faster, but don't start real fast, because you don't want no ripping and you don't want to cut yourself. Because I don't know what X-Acto knife y'all use, but mine is pretty sharp. It's a Cricut. So it's pretty sharp. And these decals stay on really good. They're really durable, and they are waterproof. They are really stretchy, and when you go under this tuck, you don't want to necessarily cut. I'm going to try to explain it. So you're going to cut, but when you press it in, you go down a little bit more and press another and then pull it together, because if you cut, it's going to start to pull this, since this is in the corner and it's really small. So push up one area Down here I'm already cut right there, and then I cut right there, and there's no cut right there, so I'm gonna pull a little. If it starts to pull and bulge up, I'm just going to gently slide and cut to where I don't have to have a lot of force to get it through. So yeah, take your time with this so it'll be really neat. Okay, and when you pull, take your time and don't pull up so fast, because if it's some spots that need to be cut a little bit more, you will see that before you rip it. So this underneath is really good. That seems to be doing fairly well. Now see that part right there, the white is trying to pull from the swoosh, so cut a little bit there. Cut a little bit more there. And I need to cut a little bit more there. I didn't get this spot really good. And I didn't get this part good either. Okay, and there you go. It's nice and tucked under in that little crack. And now last, I'm going to put some more heat on here to make sure it sticks there, and then try to get these corners to lay down flat. Add heat as necessary, as much as you need. Just don't add it for a long time. It will start to bubble up. And after I finish this, I'm going to go onto this side, get that done, and then we're going to do the side by side sneaker reveal for you guys that are tuning in. Now that I'm done doing the sneaker custom, I'm going to show y'all the side-by-side preview of these customs. And a quick note, I told y'all I will start doing free giveaways of the customs I do, but first you have to get me to 1,000 subscribers, subs. It's not that hard. I only need like 700 and something to go. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. So once I reach 1,000, you can be entered in to win any size of the customs that I have, because I will have a lot sitting after I do all these tutorials for you guys. So let's go ahead and get right to it. Now, like I said, these are affordable and a cheap way to get any type of designer replica. It's not real, but who's going to really know when it's a specific custom? Even when you have the real Burberry or Louis Vuitton or Dior, whatever, on a Nike shoe, it's not real anyways, because a customizer made it for you, or you made it for yourself. Dior or any type of designer brand did not make that, unless it was like the Jordan 1 Dior's or some type of collab, which is rare, and wasting your money on those. So yeah, let me know what y'all think about these in the comment down below. Would you rock? Would you skip out on these? Would you try it? Would you buy these? I sell these. I will put the link down below as well where you can purchase these. If you want to try them out, I showed you all of, I will put the supplies down below as well, but I showed you everything, how you need to do it. Simple, easy, affordable, fast. So yeah, tune into this video. Thank y'all for watching this video. likes, comments, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Like I said before, I'm Shad. This is my channel Byshaad, and I'm out.